Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime. So let's get started. So let me open the bag. And here is the slime. It's very good. We made it like yesterday. I should put the bubbles. I love it. Plus, they're my favorite part of the slime. First, let's see. Okay, so let's okay. So let's try to do the slime bubble. So let's one, two, three. Oh, it popped. Now let's check how pokey it is. It looks like it's very noisy. Oh my god. This can wake up somebody. So now we're gonna do the pokey. I'm gonna roll this out. These still bubbles. I always roll it out. So. I got to sit back up there. There we go. So that's the slime. Oh, we almost forgot the slime swirl. I almost forgot that. So I'm going to rub it out just like a burrito. Where's my slime swirl? It's very good. So we gotta make another slime bubble. So I just gotta back up the camera just a bit more. Is this one? I'm gonna try and make it bigger. I'm at the table because this could be messy. And plus our floor is kind of dirty. What happened? Oh, Rocky. If you guys haven't saw my dog video, that's my dog, Rocky. I'm gonna guess this is gonna be big if it works. Very, very big. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that slime bubble. Mom, Dad, look at my slime bubble. It makes slime. Wow. Did Did Rocky bite you? Oh my bow. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a music video really soon maybe. But my bow keeps on slipping. I gotta fix my bow. Okay. This is so cool. Look at this.